unboxing my new badminton kicks. Hey guys, Michael here of Michael's Hut. Recently, since I am frequently playing badminton, my shoes have been wearing out fast, so the delivery of these new kicks is in perfect timing. They are all from World Balance and are new releases. These are the new Highwind editions and a Fusion Strike model. They all look really nice and are made for the sport of badminton. Not only that they are affordable, but they are also very comfortable to wear. Of course, they all have that gum sole for that grip needed to perform in the game. The size was perfect for my feet and I am digging the luck. Come, let's try them out. Ready for the game? Definitely. This white Fusion Strike shoe delivers, as I was able to play with ease and look cool wearing these good looking kicks. This is the Highwind White Black, Highwind Black Red, and this white Fusion Strike, all for 2,799 each. So if you are looking for some badminton shoes that look good and feel great, give some love to World Balance PH.